What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're going to be going over the 5 Apple products that will be released in 2022. So let's begin with the video now. Welcome to Search Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. If that is something that you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's going to be useful links below in the description covering everything that we discuss. With that being said, let's get right into it. So despite the pandemic and supply chain disruptions, Apple had a pretty packed 2021 with several product launches, including the AirTag, M1 iMacs, a redesigned MacBook Pros, and the iPhone 13 series. However, 2022 is unarguably looking like a major year for Apple in terms of product launches. The company could launch its first AR product this year, with the iPhone lineup expected to get a significant design overhaul. This year, the Apple Silicon Mac Pro should also make its debut and raise the bar for performance and efficiency to new heights in demanding workloads. So first up, we're going to talk about the iPhone 14. So despite bringing several meaningful improvements to the table, the iPhone 13 series were not a massive upgrade over their predecessor. This year, however, the iPhone 14 series is expected to launch with a new design and some significant internal changes. Rumors indicate that Apple will use a titanium alloy chassis on the iPhone 14 Pro series to reduce their weight. Additionally, it could use a vapor chamber cooling system for improved heat dissipation, allowing sustained performance levels over an extended period. There are also rumors of iPhone 14 launching with under-display Face ID, though this could still be a few years away. A recent rumor also suggests that there is a possibility of Apple ditching the SIM card slot altogether on the iPhone 14 Pro lineup, but we'll have to see about that. Next up, we're going to have the MacBook Air, and the MacBook Pro lineup got its Apple Silicon infused refresh this year, and while the MacBook Air was the first device from Apple launched with Apple Silicon internals, its design was not refreshed as a part of that update, and that should change with the release of a redesigned MacBook Air in 2022. Kuo suggests it will launch with a mini LED display adorned with thinner bezels, a new M2 chip, and just like the M1 iMac, it could be available in multiple colors. Thanks to its lightweight design, the MacBook Air lineup was always a solid daily use laptop, but it was held back due to its poor performance. With Apple taking care of the latter, it will be interesting to see how it redesigns the machine as a lifestyle laptop. The 2022 MacBook Air could also launch with the M2 chip inside it, further pushing the performance and efficiency envelope. Now we're going to talk about the AR headset. So rumors of Apple working on an AR headset have circulated for a few years now. At this point, one should have little doubt of its existence. 2022 could be the year when Apple finally launches its AR/VR headset, or at least demos to the world. Reliable Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo and several other sources have confirmed that the company is working full steam on its mixed reality headset. Going by rumors, Apple's AR/VR headset could feature two 8K displays, a complex design with interchangeable lenses, and possible even eye tracking. It could also be very expensive and heavy, with its launch being followed by a sleeker pair of Apple glasses the following year. And even if Apple does end up showcasing its AR/VR headset this year, you should not expect it to happen before the very end of the year, and the chances of getting your hands on one this year are going to be very slim. Now on spot number 4, we're going to have the Apple Silicon Mac Pro. So Apple revamped the Mac Pro in a big way in 2019 with a brand new design and tons of horsepower. A year after that, though, the company unveiled Apple Silicon and announced a 2-year timeline to switch all its products to it. That timeline will end in late 2022, which is when Apple is expected to showcase the redesigned Apple Silicon powered Mac Pro. Apple Silicon has already done wonders inside the MacBook Air and MacBook Pro, and I can't begin to imagine the level of performance they will offer inside a proper desktop-like chassis. With rumors suggesting Apple will offer the machine with a 40-core CPU and up to 128-core GPU. The Mac Pro is meant for professionals who are heavily into rendering videos, images, and data processing. The cheese grater design will also be ditched for a chassis that will reportedly be 50% smaller. The Mac Pro is targeted at enterprises and high-end professionals. Still, it will be among the most exciting product launches from Apple in 2022, because of the sheer amount of power that it will possibly bring to the table. And now, lastly, we're gonna have the Apple Watch Series 8. So contrary to the rumors, last year's Apple Watch redesign was not impressive as everyone wished. The Apple Watch Series 7 felt more like an Apple Watch Series 6 or 5, with a bigger display and faster charging speeds being the only two key improvements. In 2022, Apple could launch 3 different Apple Watch models, including one that's primarily meant for rugged use, and this could give the likes of Garmin a run for their money, since they primarily target hardcore fitness lovers with their products. And this year's Apple Watch could also introduce new heat sensors and further push the envelope in terms of fitness tracking. So we can wait to see how everything develops. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and to also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.